In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track attendance in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively use it to manage your team's attendance. First, you need to create a new attendance board. To do this, navigate to the option that says Add and select New Board. Name your board Team Attendance Tracker and choose to start from scratch. This will essentially serve as your digital attendance sheet, providing a centralized location for all attendance records. Once your board is set up, it's time to configure the columns. There are a few key columns that are essential for tracking attendance effectively. Start with a people column where you'll assign each of your team members. Then add a date column to specify which day is being tracked. For marking attendance status, create a status column where you can denote whether someone is present, absent, late, or anything else that applies. Consider using a drop-down or text column for notes to record any reasons for absences or any other remarks. If needed, an optional numbers column can be added to track total work hours for each day. A handy tip is to utilize labels and colors in the status column, making it easy to visually distinguish between different attendance states. For instance, use a green label for present, red for absent, and yellow for late. Next, you'll want to start adding attendance records. Every row or item on your board will represent a single attendance entry. You can choose to log attendance on a daily or weekly basis. If you prefer, you can add one item per day per employee, or alternatively, one item per week that includes multiple date columns. For larger teams, logging items daily is often more advantageous, as it allows you to apply automations and generate reports more effectively. Speaking of automations, Monday.com offers features to automate updates, making attendance tracking even easier. Simply click on Automate and select Create Custom Automation. Use templates to help streamline processes, such as notifying HR when a status changes to present or sending an email to employees marked as absent. Automations can also ensure a new attendance line is added automatically every workday. To gain some insights, you can add a dashboard. By adding a view and selecting Dashboard, you can include widgets that provide valuable information. A chart widget, for example, can illustrate attendance rates, while a workload widget can highlight team members frequently late or absent. A numbers widget can total attendance counts across weeks or months. This gives HR and managers quick visual insights at a glance. Finally, when you need to analyze or document the data further, use filters to view specific employees or dates. You can export your attendance data to Excel by selecting Board menu,